Before we get started, to learn more about how to manifest anything you want, click the link in the description below. How to manifest anything you want. Do you find it hard to manifest the things you want into your life? Such as a better paying job? Taking the vacation you have always dreamed of? Perhaps you follow the law of attraction and just can't quite conquer manifestation. I know I felt that way. It can be tricky at first, but once you get the hang of it, manifesting can become second nature to you. Maybe you are unsure of what manifestation really means. Or maybe you need clarity on what the purpose of manifestation is. In order to succeed in your manifestations, you need to truly believe in them. Bring them into your own existence and make it your reality. So what's it worth knowing the ins and outs of what exactly manifestation is and how to properly manifest what you want? Before I share my manifestation guide with you, let's take a look at what manifestation means and how it works. Manifesting works for other people, but you feel as though you're missing something to make it work for you. Is it something you just imagine and it appears, or is it something deeper that becomes realized with a different approach? The number one reason most people get stuck while manifesting is they don't know every vital step to manifest and co-create with the universe. Here are the 7 steps to manifest anything you want, including money. What does manifestation mean? There are many different definitions of the word manifest, but the simplest would be that a manifestation is something that is put into your physical reality through thought, feelings, and beliefs. Is that it? Do you tap into your subconscious and bring about things that you could before only dream about? This means that whatever you focus on is what you are bringing into your reality. You may focus and manifest through meditation, visualization, or just via your conscience or your subconscious. This process is called manifesting. For example, you have been thinking about getting a new job, and you focus on exactly what you wanted and when you wanted it. Your thoughts and feelings would be strong surrounding this. You could then try to meditate or visualize your goal, and this can help to manifest it into your reality. If you then got your new job and it was everything you wanted, you would have successfully manifested it into your life. So now that you know what manifestation means, it's time to find out how manifestation works. It can be a natural process, like wishing it into existence, believing that it's already there. How does manifestation work? Like with the law of attraction, a manifestation is where your thoughts and your energy can create your reality. If you are constantly being negative and feeling down, then you're going to attract and manifest negative energy. I often felt this way, negative, even in a positive environment. You get what you feel, what you think. The first thing to do in manifesting is to take a look at your thoughts and feelings. Are you feeling negative? Do your thoughts surround negativity? If so, you could begin to manifest things you don't want in your reality. This is why it's important to clear your mind and have a positive mind when you are wanting to manifest. Manifestation doesn't work with your thoughts. There has to be a form of action on your part. This could be actually applying for the jobs that suit what you are looking for and going to the interviews. Apply yourself and reap the rewards. Trying to visualize your thoughts and feelings about your job. This will then help you to feel more positive and motivated to make these changes a reality. This will then push you to take some action and ultimately manifest your goals into your life. 7 steps to manifest anything you want, including money. Step 1, get clear on what you want. If you don't know exactly what you want, you can't actually take steps to make it happen. To manifest something, you must know what you desire. That means you must get very clear on the specifics, detailing the features as if your manifestation is tailor-made for you. To get started with this step, create a list of 20 to 25 things you want to manifest. Get specific about what you want and list the attributes in the positive, aka avoid using the word don't. I want a car. Might land you a 1965 El Camino without a working engine. I want a used SUV with less than 30,000 miles on it that's priced under $15,000. Streamlines your search quite a bit. Side note, as you create your list, give yourself permission to want what you want today and be open to changing it tomorrow. Judgment of yourself doesn't help you manifest anything. Step 2, ask the universe. Once you have your list, it's time to amplify your signal to the universe by asking for what you want. When the universe is clear on what you want to manifest, then it can help you. If you don't ask, it will try to help you, but it guesses as to what you truly desire. Don't leave what you receive up to chance. Ask for what you want. There are a lot of ways to ask, including prayer, meditation, visualization, and vision boards. An easy way to ask for what you want is to write a letter to the universe. Ask the universe for what you want once a day. Makes your requests clearer and clearer. Step 3. Work towards your goals. Manifesting is the art of co-creating with the universe. Working towards your goals increases your chances of receiving what you want. It's also fun. Write down 3 actions you can do today to bring you closer to your goal. If you don't know what to do, use Google to figure out what actions you can take. It's likely someone has struggled with the same issue and has written about it. Let yourself be inspired by what others have done. Start taking action and keep taking action until you've reached your goal. Step 4, trust the process. As you work toward your goal, it may question if manifesting actually works. You might get discouraged and frustrated. If you are sitting in the struggle and wondering when things are going to happen, you aren't trusting the process. When you question manifestation, you're telling the universe to prove manifesting doesn't work. The law of attraction obliges by sending you experiences that keep you stuck. To manifest, you have to trust the process. Whenever you find yourself doubting, catch yourself and say, I'm getting closer and closer to my goals every day. The universe has my back and it's awesome. Repeat this phrase until you believe it. Step 5, receive and acknowledge what you get. The universe is always giving you help, but it's easy to miss the signs, especially when they come in unexpected ways. When you start to acknowledge and receive signs from the universe will give you more of what you want. A good way to get started with this step is to write down the evidence in a journal at the end of the day. Make sure to include anything that happened to you during the day that moved you a little bit closer to your goal. If you are trying to get out of debt and your credit card company called to sort out a more appropriate payment plan, that's evidence. It can also be an inspirational quote speaking to you on Facebook. Step 6, keep your vibration high. According to the law of attraction, you attract what you are sending out. To attract more of what you want, you have to raise your vibration. Vibrations are like little radio signals you are continuously sending out to the universe. You must tune your signal to a vibration worthy of receiving it. Stay positive and thankful. All you have to do is to feel joy. By spending 10 to 15 minutes a day, at least, doing something that makes you feel good, anything, from watching a YouTube video or meditating, you're ensuring your vibration stays high. Remember, a crappy mood means you're going to be rewarded with crap. Staying positive is the easiest way to be certain good things are coming. Step 7, clear your resistance. If you haven't yet manifested what you want, it's likely you are resisting what the universe has to offer. Doubts, pain, procrastination, frustrations, anxiety, fears, regrets, and resentments are all forms of resistance. And they are totally normal. When you notice conflict coming up, acknowledge it and remind yourself to breathe and relax. Might sound something like, I'm frustrated again. I'm resisting again. I get it. All I have to do now is breathe, relax, and let it come. If you are having a hard time letting go of a problem, find someone to help you through it. Manifesting your desires is 100% possible, but to do so, you must use all the steps. 1. Get clear on what you want. 2. Ask the universe for it. 3. Take action. Helps the universe make it happen. 4. Trust the process. 5. Acknowledge what is being sent to you along the way. 6. Increase your vibration. 7. Clear all resistance. Now I want to hear from you. What steps of the manifesting process do you do regularly? What steps have you missed? Tell me what, if anything, you're going to change in the comments below. If you would like to learn much more in-depth on how to manifest anything you want, then click the link in the description below to watch the free video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.